chilling, you know. Puerto Rican Day Parade out here in Brooklyn. Yeah. We good though. Yeah.
It's goody. We out here chilling, getting fucked up. Dollar shots at the bodega.
We good though. We just chilling out here, 53rd and 5th Avenue, Brooklyn. You know, it's all good. Just throw this on YouTube. Say what up to everybody. You know, I heard me singing, so I ain't gonna get my singing on right now, but you'll probably get that a little bit. Yeah. Check it out. What's going on over here? You heard me? Yeah, I know, man.
One time you already early. One time.
Yeah. Recording so like
Yo, shit out that nigga yesterday.
Where about beef?
At the Brunswick?
Nah. I'm just putting this on the table. Yeah, nah. It's all good. Nah, we out here though. Yeah. Tell y'all what's going on over here real quick though. So we out here though, you know, just chilling. I want to say what's up to everybody. You can follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/SheLoveSnacks. That's me. I'm gonna put this up on the tube in a little bit. Just want to get shit going. You know, I had to represent, you know, Puerto Rican Day and all that, you know. It's all good. We lit out here though. You ready? Yeah. So, ain't nothing. I got you. I got you.
That's your mom?
Nah, no, two. I'm gonna put it up on two. So we're good though. I'm signing out though, but yo, y'all be easy, alright? Talk to y'all later, man. Later.